Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my mom's channel. So, for those people who don't know me, I am Jenny. Hey, what's up? So, I'm gonna share how to make a basic scrunchie. So, basically, I'm to share the procedure of a scarf and a basic scrunchie. So, I made the scarf scrunchie and a normal regular scrunchie. So actually I'm in love with Scrunchie for some few months and it really gives a nice look to your hair. So before starting this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So for making any type of scrunchie, one needs some fabrics and elastic, and if you're not having a sewing machine just like me, then you can hand sew it with a needle and a thread. So for the first scrunchie, that is a scarf scrunchie, I am using a black polka dotted fabric and cutted it into a thin strip. So now fold the fabric laterally and stitch it from this side only. So basically I'm using a black thread and a needle to sew it cause I'm not having a sewing machine. So if you're having a sewing machine, you can definitely sew in that, and if you're not, you can follow my procedure. So after watching this video, make sure you go and check out the description box for more such DIY videos that we have in our channel. So basically this one is my mom's channel, it's not mine, and I make some DIYs and she uploads it and then she shares some cooking videos and a lot of many things. Okay, so we are done with our stitching. So I think you can see the stitch marks. It's okay. So now we are gonna flip it inside out and so it's done. And now I'm going to insert the elastic inside it. I'm using my hands to insert it. If you are unable to do it, you can definitely use a safety pin or a clip. Okay, so after tying the elastic, now we are going to stitch the outer cover of the scrunchie. Again, I'm using a black thread for it. Okay, so that's all. So for making the bow or the tie part, we need to fold the fabric and then draw a type of tie or a house like something. So you see my drawing, then you can understand what I'm trying to say or what I'm trying to do. Yeah, one can definitely call is a house or a tie. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it. So the only reason to fold the fabric was this. Yes, to get it as a whole. So now we'll fold it and then tie it with the scrunchie. So it's better to tie that on the part where we have stitched the edges actually. So here is a scrunchie and it turned out pretty cute. I'm really happy with the result. I hope you have also enjoyed it. So for the second scrunchie, I'm following the same process as the earlier one, just I'm using a different fabric for this. So I was not having a white thread, so it's okay, black will also do, so I'm using that. So I did the same with the red scrunchie as well. Just the difference was I used a different fabric and didn't make the knot or the tie or the scarf portion, whatever you say. So a music is playing in the background, and if you can guess it, then please comment below me which song's music is this. I'll be glad to know and I'll definitely reply you. Hey, I'm actually sorry, I chose the wrong colored pencil. Where is the black one? Yeah, I got it. How careless I am. Oof. Okay, so the same shape with this scrunchie also. And then tie it, tie it. Okay, so it's done, and see, it looks quite fluffy. So guys, our scrunchie is ready, and three of them really turned cute. I hope you have also liked it. Which was your most favorite one? Comment me below. And I have not shared the video for the red one because it's the same as the rest of it. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.